let's discuss one more question. This is related to angles, not about the side so far. What we discuss? We have discussed sums related to this with the values, not with the sum relation. Let's start. Let's read the question first. Prove that the angle between the two tangents. Okay, so angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. Let's stop here first, right? We are taking one external point. We are taking two tangents from it to the circle. An angle between them. See, this angle we are talking about first, right? This angle it is mentioned so far is supplementary. Okay, supplementary angle means what? If you add two angles, you are going to get 180 degree. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. Supplementary to what? Supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact. Okay, so we have 2 points of contact on the circle, this point, and we need to join that point of contact with the center. From point of contact to center, from point of contact to center. Done? And the angle subtended here. Okay, this is another angle. So we need to prove that these two angles are supplementary, right? We need to prove these two angles are supplementary. Let's name it as x and y. It will be easy for us to understand than with the names of the angle x and y. Let's give name as well here. Center O. Let's take external point P, tangent PA, tangent PB. Done? Good. So now how shall we start? You can use, there are two methods to do this one, which is isosceles triangle or quadrilateral. I'm going to use quadrilateral. It's very simple and quick to do, and we are using theorems as well of the circle. So first thing we need to do is, let's talk about the given. What information is given to us? What is given? Circle with center. Circle with center O, right? P is the external point. P is the external point. Then PA and PB are tangents. Tangents, right? These are the information given over here. And what we need to prove, very important, what we need to prove, we need to prove that these two angles are supplementary. Means if I add them, I should be getting x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Simple. Let's start the proof. First of all, tangents. So tangents and line joining the center at the point, from the point of contact, will be what? Perpendicular. This is what I'm talking about. This angle will be 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree. What's the reason behind that? Tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Remember this sentence, contact. Tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact, means this angle is 90 degree. Let's write OA. So OA perpendicular PA. Let's write PA. Now what can I write? Can I write this angle is 90 degree? Yes, angle PAO. Angle PAO is equal to 90 degree. Done? Now let's write for this one another tangent, which is OB, right? Perpendicular PB, right? Radius perpendicular tangent, and this angle will be 90 degree. So PBO, angle PBO is equal to 90 degree. Done? Now we know this value is x, this value is y. Now let's take the quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral? Very simple, it is visible, 4 sides. So I am going to take quadrilateral APBO. Quadrilateral APBO. Let's take sum of all angles, right? So sum of all angles is equal to what? 360 degree. We are aware of it. Let's use that result over here. Okay, so first angle, let's start. APB. So angle APB. Then this second angle PBO. Angle PBO. Plus this angle BOA. Angle BOA. Plus last angle. Okay, let's write PAO because we have written PAO. So PAO. Angle PAO is equal to what? 360 degree, because it is quadrilateral. Don't write 180. This is not triangle, right? So APB, what is the value of APB? X. Okay, then PBO, we have value of PBO 90 degree, so 90 degree over here. Then BOA which is Y. Okay, Y. Then PAO, yes, here 90 degree, so 90 degree is equal to 360 degree, right? This 90 and this 90 will make 180 degree. Okay, so X plus Y plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. Shift this 180 here. So X plus Y is equal to 360 minus 180. We need to change this sign. Simple. So X plus Y, 360 minus 180. What's the answer? 180 degree. See, we are done with the proof. We have proved that these two angles are supplementary. Let's recall the steps. First of all, draw the figure, identify what conditions are given. We need to prove that they are supplementary. Means if you add them, you should be getting 180 degree. Right? So write the given condition, what we need to prove. Afterwards, use the theorems of the tangent. It makes 90 degree when we connect with the radius at the point of contact. Right? Then take the quadrilateral. I have taken quadrilateral APBO. Right? Add all the angles. You should get what? 360 degree. So substitute the values and get the answer.